Students, welcome to the differential equations session. So in previous session I discussed some problems on first order higher degree differential equations, that is equations which are solvable for x. So in today's session also I would like to continue some more problems in that category. As you see, this y is equal to 2px plus y square p cube. In this problem, so it is equation solvable for x. It belongs to equation solvable for x because it consists of only one x. So that means we can write x is equal to some function of y and p. So you write it is 2px is equal to, you can write it is y minus y square p cube. Y square p cube. So again you write 2x is equal to y divided by p minus y square p cube divided by p. Okay, you take this equation is 1. So now 2x is equal to it is y divided by p, y by p minus one of the p cancels, remaining is p square here. So it is y square p square, y square p square. Now you differentiate this with respect to y. Differentiating this with respect to y. Okay. So now it is 2 into differentiation of x with respect to y is dx divided by dy, which is equal to differentiation of y is 1. So differentiation of that y is 1 and keep this 1 by p as it is, plus similarly keep y as it is, differentiate 1 by p with respect to y. Differentiation of 1 by p is minus 1 by p square into differentiation of p with respect to y is dp by dy. Okay, so again minus differentiation of y square is 2y into p square. Next again minus, because this is minus of product rule, that is, so minus of differentiation of y into p square plus y square into differentiation of p square, like that. Okay, so I am taking directly minus of, so ಈಗ y square na as it is ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, keep y square as it is, differentiation of p square is 2p, differentiation of p square is 2p into dp by dy, okay. So in left hand side you write this dx by dy. You know that dy by dx is p, dx by dy becomes 1 by p. So it is 2 by p is equal to, this is 1 by p, and it is not consists of dp by dy. So you write this first, minus 2y into p square. Okay, so next minus y by p square into dp by dy. Next minus 2y square p into dp by dy. So we have to simplifying this. ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ, so when this 2 by p comes to right hand side, it becomes minus 2 by p. Minus 2 by p plus 1 by p is minus 1 by p ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So or in other words, you take all these terms to left hand side. So then what happens? 2 by p minus 1 by p is 1 by p, and when it comes to left hand side, plus 2yp square, ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ y by p square into dp by dy plus 2y square p into dp by dy. is equal to 0. Okay, here we shifted all the right hand terms to left hand side, so this negative sign becomes positive. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 by p ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by p ಇತ್ತು, 2 by p minus 1 by p becomes 1 by p. Okay, now so you take anything as common factor. So here you keep this factor as it is 1 by p plus 2yp square, you keep this as it is, plus here you take y by p is a common factor. So y by p into dp by dy, you take it as a common factor. So then remaining here is 1 by p plus here we take dp by dy and y by p is the outside. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 y ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ remaining here is 2 and y, and so the denominator of ಇದರ denominator ಇರೋ p ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So this is the term not consists p in the denominator. So if you put multiply and divided this factor with p, so then it becomes p square by p ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ p ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ p square ಆಗೇ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So then it becomes 2y into p square is equal to 0. Okay, so from these two terms you take 1 by p plus 2y p square is a common factor. 1 by p plus 2y into p square, you take it as a common factor. Remaining here is 1 plus remaining here is y by p into dp by dy is equal to 0. So here the first factor not consists of dp by dy. So you ignore the first factor. Ignore the first factor. Ignore the first factor. So if you ignore the first factor, which implies that 1 plus y divided by p into dp by dy is equal to 0. Okay, so now you simplify this, y by p into dp by dy, y by p into dp by dy is equal to, take this 1 to right hand side, it becomes minus 1. So we can solve this differential equation. This is the differential equation in the variables y and p. So ಇದನ್ನ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಪರಬಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ you can write it is dp by p is equal to minus dy by y. Integrating this, integration of dp by p is equal to, or you take plus integration of dy by y. So this is because when it comes to left hand side it becomes plus, is equal to, so constant of integration I am taking it is log c. Integration of 1 by p is log p plus log y is equal to log c. So log p plus log y can be written as log py. Log py is equal to log py is equal to log c. If you cancel log on both sides, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ log cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so then remaining is py is equal to c, or p is equal to c divided by y. Okay, take this equation is 2. Substituting 2 in 1. Substituting equation 2 in 1. So we get that. So substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1ಗೆ. So it gives that, what is in equation 1? It is 2px or y is equal to 2px or 2px plus y minus y square p cube. 2px is equal to 2px is equal to y. 2px is equal to y. So it is Substituting in 1, we get 2px, 2, what is p? P is c by y. 2px is equal to 2px is equal to y minus y square p cube. It is y minus y square p cube. Y minus y square p cube. P cube is c by y whole cube. Okay, so you just simplify this here itself. So now it is 2cx by y is equal to y minus y square c cube by y cube. One of this y cancels here, one of the y cancels. So now it is 2cx by y is equal to, take y is the LCM, y square minus c cube whole divided by y. Y and y cancels. So now it is 2cx is equal to y square minus c cube is the final result. So that is the final result. Similarly, we solve one more example of the same type. Y is equal to 2px. So it is y is equal to 2px plus 6y square p square. Y is equal to 3px. Y is equal to 3px plus 6y square p square. Yes. You write it is y is equal to y is equal to 3px plus 6y square p square, or you can write it is you take this is equation 1, you write this is 3px is equal to y minus 6y square p square, 6y square p square. So now you take x is equal to, or 3x is equal to y divided by p minus 6y square p square divided by p. 6y square p square divided by p. Okay. So now differentiate this with respect to y. So then it gives that 3 into differentiation of x is 3 into differentiation of x with respect to y is dx by dy, which is equal to differentiation of y is 1, and that you keep that 1 by p as it is, plus keep y as it is, differentiation of 1 by p is minus 1 by p square into dp by dy, minus, as here remaining is only y square p, one of the p cancels, so it is 6 into differentiation of y square is 2y into p, next minus of 6y square into differentiation of p with respect to y is dp by dy. Okay, and you write this dx by dy is 1 by p, so then it becomes 3 by p. 3 by p is equal to, or you take this term to left hand side, it is minus 1 by p. Okay, so this minus y by p square comes to left hand side, plus y by p square into dp by dy. Next, this is 12yp, comes to left hand side, it is plus 12yp. Okay, similarly plus 6y square into dp by dy is equal to 0. 3 by p minus 1 by p is 2 by p. This is 2 by p. 2 by p, this is plus 12 by p plus y by p square into dp by dy plus 6y square into dp by dy is equal to 0. Okay, next step you take, here you take 2, 2 is the common factor, or you write that or you take 2 by y is the common factor. Yes, as here you take y by p. If you take y by p is a common factor, or 6y is remaining there. Okay, take suitable one as a common factor. You take 1 by 2p. Okay, you write this as it is, no problem, by 2p. As p by 2 by p, 2 by p plus, okay, 1 minute. As here you take just 2 is the common factor. If you take 2 is the common factor, remaining here is 1 by p plus 6yp. 6yp is remaining. 6yp is remaining. Okay. Plus here you take y by p is a common factor. Y by p is a common factor. So then y by p into dp by dy you take it as a common factor. So remaining here is 1 by p plus so here this one of the y comes outside, remaining is 6y, and here we take p is a common factor from the denominator, so we have to multiply numerator and denominator with p. So ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಪಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದು ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಪಿ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. So again you take 1 by p plus 6yp is the common factor. 1 by p plus 6yp is a common factor. So remaining here is 2 plus y by p into dp by dy. Y by p into dp by dy is equal to 0. Ignore the first factor, as usually ignore the first factor because it's not consists of any dp by dy term. So ignoring first factor, so then which implies that that 2 plus y by p into dp by dy is equal to 0, or y by p into dp by dy is equal to -2, or you write this is dp by p is equal to -2 into dy by y. Okay, integrating this integration of dp by p plus 2 into integration of dy by y is equal to constant of integration, you take it is log c. So its integration is log p plus 2 log y is equal to log c. So you can write it is log p plus log y square is equal to log c. Again, you write this is log of py square, log of py square, because log a plus log b is log ab. Log of py square is equal to log c. So one of this log cancel. Okay, log can, we can cancel log on both sides. Then p is equal to y square divided by c. You take it is 2. So substituting 2 in 1, because our intention is to eliminate p from equation 1 and 2. So by using 2, you write p is equal to y square by c. So just I am continuing here. Substituting 2 in 1. Substituting 2 in 1. So what is that one? Equation 1 is here. Y is equal to 3px. Y is equal to 3px. What is p? P is equal to c by y square, or y square. Sorry, this is c by y square. P is equal to c by y square. P is equal to c by y square. Okay, right. P is equal to c by y square. That is in equation 2. P is equal to c by y square. So in place of p, you write c by y square. C by y square. C by y square. Yeah, this app is a little bit slow. Okay, y is equal to 3. Yeah, now it is working. Y is equal to c by y square. Okay, p is equal to c by y square. If you substitute that here, so 3px plus 6y square p square, 6y square p square. 3px plus 6y square p square, that p is c by y square. P square is c by y square whole square. Simplifying this, y is equal to 3cx by y square plus 6y square c square divided by y square whole square. Y square whole square. So now one of these y square cancels. Okay. So take this y square is the common factor or LCM. and bring it to left hand side, it is y cube is equal to 3cx plus 6c square. So that will be the final result. Okay, so p is equal to c by y square. So take it as equation 2. Here's one more example. It is very simple. X is equal to y plus p square. Yeah, it's very simple problem. X is equal to y plus p square. Take it as 1. To differentiate this with respect to y. So it is dx by dy is equal to this is 1. Differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. So differentiation of p square is 2p into dp by dy. And as you know, it is 1 by p. 1 by p is equal to 1 plus 2p into dp by dy. Okay, now we have to solve this. So it is 1 by p minus 1 is equal to 2p into dp by dy. Okay, next step, you take LCM and simplifying this. So then it is so 1 minus p divided by p is equal to 2p into dp by dy. So or you write it is 2p square by 1 minus p, 2p square, so p into p becomes p square, 2p square into dp by dy is equal to 1 minus p. I am just writing this in left hand side. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2p square into dp by dy is equal to 1 minus p ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so next step. So 2p square into dp divided by dy. So 2p square divided by 1 minus p. Okay, write like this is equal to dy. So dy na right hand side ತಗೋಣ. So now it is to integrate this. So ಇದನ್ನು integrate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So keep this 2 as it is. Integration of p square divided by, so you write this is minus of p minus 1. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ, minus of p minus 1 ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. into dp is equal to dy. Okay, any idea to integrate this? Yes, here you take this is 2 into integration of, so in numerator you subtract 1 and add 1. So 1 ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿ 1 ಅನ್ನು subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So it is 2 into integration of p square minus 1 divided by minus of p minus 1 into dp minus integration of, so because minus into plus becomes minus 1 by p minus 1 into dp is equal to integration of dy plus constant c. So now this is 2 into integration of p square minus 1 can be written as p minus 1 into p plus 1. This divided by minus of p minus 1 into dp minus, ಇದನ್ನು integrate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ with respect to p, it is log of p minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, is equal to integration of dy is dy plus c. ಇಲ್ಲಿ p minus 1 cancels, p minus 1 and p minus 1 cancels. So now it is 2 into or minus 2 into integration of p is p square by 2 plus integration of 1 with respect to p is p minus log of p minus 1. So minus y or is equal to y plus constant. Is this possible to separate p? Even though it is possible, it is little bit difficult. Okay, so p na separate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ p ನ separate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ದಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗಿಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ y is equal to, so you write that result is y is equal to, so 2 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus p square minus 2p minus log of p minus 1 minus c ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is the expression for y. So now to find the complete solution, ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ p ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, p is equal to ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, y ನ ಸೊ p ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವರ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ p. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ p ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್? ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ y. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1ಗೆ ಈ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್, so using 2 in 1, we get, so x is equal to p square plus y, so that is p square minus p square, y ಅಂದರೆ minus p square minus 2p minus log of p minus 1 minus c. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ x ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? x is equal to minus 2p minus log of p minus 1 minus c. So therefore complete solution ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ complete solution. Therefore solution is x is equal to minus 2p minus log of p minus 1 minus c, and y is equal to minus p square minus 2p minus here you see this note point. So already explain all these concepts. If it is not possible to eliminate p between 1 and 2, then solve 1 and 2. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. If it is not possible to eliminate p from 1 and 2, then solve 1 and 2 for x and y in terms of p. So x ಮತ್ತು y ನ in terms of p ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. These two expressions forms the complete solution. Here p is regarded as the parameter. Okay, so that means we have to solve x and y in terms of p. Okay, and so we consider that is the solution. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೈನ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈನ ಪಿ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಪಿನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಲಾಗ್ ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. And one more example is, okay, that's it. So it's enough. So next class I will continue equation solvable for y. It is very easy. So just have to change the variable x in terms of y in terms of x, that's all. So x ಮತ್ತು y ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. x plus y ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ y ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೇರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೌ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.